So whenever you're going to grind a sign, always start with the back side first. It's going to be the hardest to clean off, and it just makes it to where the last thing that you'll actually clean and do is the front side. Just in case like some of the tables might scratch the front or anything, that's why you want to make sure that you do the back side of the sign first. If you notice that there's going to be a problem area, something that you can do to save yourself a little bit of time is to take a chisel and a hammer, find whatever's going to be your problem area, and actually like go ahead and like chip it off. A lot of times the grinder will get it off, and you may even do some grinding, switch back to the chisel and go back and forth. But whenever you're going to grind, you need to make sure that you clamp it down. Now you're going to clamp it down and then maybe move the clamp later to clamp, because if you can't grind where it's actually being clamped at, that's fine, but it's super important to clamp your sign down whenever you are getting ready to grind. So all I'm doing is tightening this so that way it'll actually have a really good hold on the sign. Now I gotta do that. Well, now I don't gotta tighten enough. I think these are broken, so we're gonna get a new pair. And we have a whole bunch of different size clamps and different things that you can use. All right, so there's tight. It's gonna make it to where it's not gonna move while you're grinding it. So then you're gonna plug it in. Probably gonna have to use an extension cord. Remember, I like the DeWalt grinders better. We already gave the demonstration on how to use this. You should already know. Just make sure that it's already at full power before you actually put it onto the sign. Also be super cautious of where the sparks are gonna fly, and these pieces of metal will fly everywhere. So just make sure that you're careful. I like to use safety glasses and a face shield for doing it, but just make sure that you're careful. Sometimes it will like hit like your stomach or something as you're grinding, but it doesn't hurt at all. It just feels like something just like poked you like super briefly. So we're gonna clean this off, show you what it looks like, and then clean the other side. Make sure that this comes to a complete stop before you put this down. But there's a couple of places, especially like in the letters and in like the hand. I was too scared to like really push down hard on the hand in case something might break. So that's where I'm gonna come back with the chisel and hammer and clean it up a little bit and just kind of get all those extra pieces off of it. Just to clean it up. Because remember, this is like a business, and so, you know, a lot of times with your schoolwork, whenever you're done with it, you think, oh, that's good enough. That's not the case with this, because we're actually like delivering like a service to people. So it has to be something that's a quality item that you would be willing to like buy somewhere like in a store or anything. All right, so now I'm gonna move this so that way I can use the grinder to where this was holding. Just move it somewhere else. Lock it down. Maybe just this. Lock it down. You use this grinder really quickly. And then before I actually clamp it down on the back side, I'm just gonna go through and look and make sure that everything looks okay, that there's not something that like I need to fix from the back side before I actually start grinding on the front side. And remember, the front side will go a whole lot quicker because there's not as much to like come off or anything. You're just pretty much like, you know, cleaning it up. So you're going to clamp it down again and then grind it. Going to move the clamp so I can grind where the clamp was. And then we're done. And there's your finished sign.